Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to export products from your WooCommerce store to Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So if you're not already, go ahead and log in, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started exporting our products from WooCommerce to Shopify. What we want to do is take a look at the WooCommerce option right here. This is going to enable us by opening WooCommerce to start a new store if you do not already have one, and if you have one, you can manage it from here. All your settings and info is going to be manageable from here in the dashboard, so you can get started. But guys, what we need for today's video is to go into the plugins section. We are going to be using a plugin that you can find by clicking the plugins option right here. That's going to open up this plugins marketplace, in which you can use the search bar at the top of the screen, and in the search bar you want to search for export products. By searching for export products, this is now going to give you a result of the plugins that you can use. And what you can use guys is this option right here, which is called product import export for WooCommerce. This is going to enable you to export all your WooCommerce products, such as simple group, doesn't matter, via CSV files. That's going to enable you to import them into Shopify. So by installing this plugin right here, click the install button and add it to your store. After opening up the plugin, you'll be able to use it from the WooCommerce section I have just showed you right here. So go ahead and export all your products that you have into an Excel file, after which you can upload it to your Shopify website store and add the products that way. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.